So here is how to render 3D with AI. For this video, I will be using chatgpt. So head over to chatgpt.com, or you can also use the app. Once you're here, just go over to the left panel and click on New Chat. This will start a new conversation. If you want to use an existing chat, you can also go over to the Recent section and choose one from there. You can also select whichever ChatGPT model you want. So now I'll just drag and drop an image that I want to render in 3D right here on the prompt box from my device. After that, I will just paste in a detailed prompt instructing it to turn this image into a 3D render. Then I'll just run the prompt, and as you can see, it's now creating the image. Give it some time to load up. A quick tip is to use ChatGPT or any other AI model to create the prompt itself. That way, you can easily get a professional prompt. So as you can see, our 3D render is ready. You can click on the image to check it out, or click on the download icon to download it onto your device. And that's it. That is how to render 3D with AI.